Hello viewers, welcome back to Online Classroom where we are learning 25 tools of lean manufacturing. We have already completed 15 tools and this video will cover tool 16, Gemba, a Japanese word coming from House of Lean, that is Toyota Motor Company. Gemba as lean tool was developed by Taichi Ono, who is one of the foremost authority and pioneer of lean manufacturing. Coming to what Gemba is, it is a Japanese word for the real place. Gemba was earlier more prevalently used by detectives and reporters in Japan by calling crime scene or reporting site as Gemba. It was Taichi Ono who adopted this word in manufacturing where Gemba mean place where value is created, most commonly factory floor. So Gemba is area or place where value is created and hence problems are identified. Another terminology is Gemba walk, which refers to concept of management or staff walking down to the Gemba, interacting with the value chain, that is product, process, and people, and identifying problems or waste in value chain for improvement. Gemba Kaizen is concept of continuous improvement designed for enhancing process and reducing waste. Again, Gemba is a very crucial tool used in PDCA cycle. You can learn Kaizen and PDCA in other videos of this series. Coming now on how to do Gemba. It is a simple 6-step cyclic process. First step is to form a team, as Gemba is a team activity. Ensure at this stage that team have members from diverse functions who are all aware of process where Gemba needs to be conducted and theme for Gemba is well communicated. Step 2 is planning for Gemba. At this stage, prepare a schedule of Gemba. It can be both random or at fixed frequency basis the team consensus. Also, define the scope of Gemba during planning. Both scope in and scope out should be defined. Finally, have a check sheet prepared to give Gemba a structure. In step 3, conduct the Gemba by following the value chain. It is always recommended to go as per the process flow from start to end of identified scope. This helps with identifying handovers and crossovers between steps. Again, as a rule, always conduct Gemba in team. Step 4 is recording observations during Gemba. In this step, focus on processes rather than people. Interview people and ask questions, but try to identify concerns lying in process. Step 5 is to identify improvement. This step is done after Gemba is completed when due work is done to establish root cause of problems identified during Gemba. It is also recommended to never suggest changes during walk, as due analysis is not conducted and fix or change will only kill the symptom, not the cause. As a closure to this step, prepare an action plan with target and responsibility communicated to responsible. Final step is follow-up for closure of Gemba observations. In this step, after the fixed timeline, team will again go to Gemba and verify improvement with responsible. Here, team can also suggest any feedback. This complete the Gemba cycle, which should be continued in a spirit of continuous improvement journey. Moving to our final part, benefits of Gemba or why Gemba is important for organization thriving for lean manufacturing. First, it helps with faster identification and resolution of problems. And we all know time is money. Second, Gemba also continuously improve value of product by reducing waste from value chain. For team members involved, it develops their skill set towards product, process, and problem solving. Again, Gemba helps build a stable and stronger relationships among team members, improving workplace environment. Gemba also boosts employee engagement in continuous improvement journey. Finally, Gemba allow building or demonstrate leadership abilities of employee. That is all we have for Gemba. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe the channel to keep getting latest update of new learning content. Like and share the video for showing support. Leave your feedback in comment section. See you again in next video with the next lean tool, Jidoka. Till then, keep learning, keep growing.